Hi, we're in the junkie room. Let me show you. Bookshelf, toys for when grandchildren come, school junk. Okay, we are going to start today with counting. So I have my Monkey 100 chart here. So let's start at 10 and count backwards. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Okay, let's count by 2 since I already have them colored in. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Great. Now, today we are going to be comparing some numbers. Okay, let me see. What are we doing first? Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to look at this chart here. Today we're going to be talking about quantity. How many? How many do you see here? 3. 1, 2, 3. That means quantity. How many? And it also means which group has more and which group has less. So which group has more? I think this group has more than that group or this group. And this group has less because there's only 2. So say quantity. Quantity means how many. Okay. Now we are going to look at some stuffed animals. Okay. Here I have 1 stuffed animal and 2 stuffed animals. I have a bear and a giraffe. Now, I'm going to give you some time. I want you to go find 2 of your stuffed animals. Go get them. And then we're going to talk about what we have. Go find your 2 stuffed animals. Bring them in here. Mr. Giraffe and Mr. Bear. I have these here for when my grandchildren come. Okay, do you have 2 stuffed animals? I have 2 stuffed animals. 1, 2. So we right now have the same. We have the same. You have 2, I have 2. Now, if I take the bear away and I just keep the stuffed animal, you now have more than me, right? Because you should have 2 stuffed animals right now, and I only have 1. Okay, I'm going to put out some more stuffed animals. Here's my alligator, and here is my otter. So now I have 1, 2, 3. So now I should have more stuffed animals than you, right? Because you went and got 2. And I have an otter and an alligator and a giraffe. I have 3. So now I have more stuffed animals than you do. I'm talking about just the ones that you went to go get. But I'm sure that you have more in your house, don't you? Okay, now we're going to look at some dominoes. And we're going to figure out which domino has more and which domino has less. Okay, this one has 2 dots. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. So, which domino has more dots? The one on the right, this one. And this domino has less dots. Good job. Let's do some more. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Actually, 2 times 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So this domino, you can tell by looking at it, it definitely has more dots than this domino. So this domino has more, and this domino has what? What's that word? Less. Very good. Okay, let's look at some more. How many dots? 3. Okay, let's put this one. And we don't even have to count, do we? We can just know that by looking at it that this domino has more dots, and this domino has, that's right, less dots. Okay, one more group of dominoes. Okay. I'm thinking this one has more, but let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. No, they have the same. So they are something that's called equal. They both have 4 dots, or they are the same. One doesn't have more and one does not have less. They have the same amount of dots, 4 and 4. Good job. Okay, now we're going to look at some erasers. I bought some erasers, and we're going to do the same thing. Okay, let's put some erasers out here. Let's see. I see a ladybug and a butterfly. And on this side, I have 4 bumblebees, 3 ladybugs, 2 butterflies, and I'm not sure what that is. But now, which group has more? Definitely this group. You can tell it has more. Okay, what if I move things around? I put the ladybugs over here, and I have everything else over here. Now, which group has less? This group. It only has 4, and this one has more. Okay, now let's take those away. Okay, how many bumblebees do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ladybugs do you see? 2 and 2, that's 4. So they are the same. Okay, good job. I wish we were in school and I could give you some of these ladybug erasers. Now, we are going to make a graph. Let me get my paper up here. And what we're going to graph is candy. So, you're going to help me by telling your mom which one you like better, and then she's going to text me. Okay, so we have Sour Patch candy, and we have peanut M&Ms. Okay, now we're going to call our graph our favorite. You have to give your graph a title. Our favorite candy. Okay, let's give our graph a title. Our favorite candy. And we're going to draw a line down the middle. And so we have Sour Patch and we have peanut M&Ms. So my favorite is going to be the M&Ms. So I'm going to put, let's see, I guess I'll put a smiley face. So we know that Miss B likes M&Ms more than she does the Sour Patch. We are making a graph. And what we're going to put on this side over here is we're going to put some numbers. So let's draw a line here. Can we see? Good. I'm going to put some numbers. 1. Sorry, you can't. I'm trying to get it where you can see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have numbers going up the side of my graph. And when your mom texts me and tell me which candy that you like better, I'm going to put smiley faces on here for you. And then at the end of the week, I will take a picture of the graph and send it to you. So, let's move that over. Now, another way to compare numbers is to just write the number down. So let's do that. Let's see. Let's put a 7 and a 2. Okay, which number is bigger? Okay, you know what? Let's put some erasers and see. So here I'm going to have 2. Okay, and here I'm going to put 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, which is more? You're right, the 7 is more. So, the alligator likes to eat more, so I'm going to put his mouth open to the 7. 7 is greater than 2. 7 is bigger than 2. Okay, let's do some more. Let's put 3. Okay, and 5. Okay, now let's put 3 here. 3 bug erasers. And let's put 5 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which is more? That's right, the number 5 is more. So, this time, the alligator likes to eat the bigger number. So this time, the alligator's mouth is going towards the 5 because 5 is bigger than 3. Good job. See if you can do some of these at home. Thanks. Talk to you later.